Hi, this is Dr. Lani Simpson with your tip for today. The best natural deodorant is found in your home: baking soda and alcohol. Alcohol, you can use alcohol if you have an odor problem. Simply put a little bit of alcohol on a cotton swab, swab under your arms 1, 2 to 3 days, and that should get rid of the bacteria that's actually causing the odor. And if you continue to have that problem, swab your underarms once a week with the alcohol to get rid of that bacteria. And on a daily basis, use baking soda. Baking soda really does work. And if you do this right, you can even wear black and you will not get the white powder on your clothing. It takes a couple applications to get it right, but afterward, it's very simple to do. So just put a little bit of baking soda in a little bowl like this. Keep it out on your sink. Dip your finger in water. And this is the amount that I use under my arm under each arm. It's this amount, the tip of my finger. And your underarms should be a little bit moist, like just getting out of a shower. You might have to add a little bit of water. In the beginning, you might put too much water, so you have to then let your underarms dry, or I'll use a hairdryer when I've done that. So why not use or go to the health food store and buy deodorants that are there? Aren't they healthy? Well, certainly we know that the ones that typically we can get at pharmacies contain a lot of chemicals, some of which have been shown to exhibit hormonal activity. When women end up with breast cancer, most commonly the breast cancer is estrogen receptor positive, meaning that estrogen pushes the growth of the tumor, and they develop in the upper outer quadrant of the breasts. So I don't want to put anything under my arms. I don't care whether it's natural or otherwise, because this area, the skin, really absorbs what we put under there. So best to be very cautious in my book. And the natural ones as well. Tea tree oil and not feverfew, but tea tree oil and lavender are two wonderful medicinals that also exhibit estrogen activity. And in fact, boys, pubescent boys, there are a couple case studies of pubescent boys using lavender products daily for a period of time, developing breast tissue. So tea tree oil and lavender are not something that I would want to put under my arms as well. And I do recommend, again, that you stick with baking soda and alcohol as your regular deodorant. Now, what about an antiperspirant? Because what I'm talking about is deodorant. An antiperspirant works because it has aluminum in it. And I have concerns about aluminum as well, and I'm not the only one. So I'd steer clear of those as well. However, for those special occasions, I would go to a health food store, and they have these crystals, the antiperspirant crystals that you can buy, and it is a natural aluminum that's in there. There are no fragrances, nothing else, and that's what I would use for special occasions. But other than that, I would stick to the natural baking soda and alcohol as your way to maintain a healthy deodorant for yourself. So thank you. This is Dr. Lani Simpson and your tip for today.